could be them checking to see if I can hear them over there. So I said yes. See if they come at me again with another bark, or there's just an excited dog. But if there was a barking coming from those trees somewhere there, on that little bit of the ridge on the lower part, no person would have a clue. Somebody might be going, oh yeah, we can hear it. We were just listening to that jet ski in its humming monotone sound, its expression, its language, how it's expressing itself through its velocity of energy. So, yeah, could very well have been a dog. Could very well be somebody testing us out from that kind of a distance. You can guarantee that. Tinman. I don't know where they are. I just know they're over there. They're behind me. There might even be a few in front of me. I see their marks on the trees, how the tree grows, how the rocks are manipulated. You want to see an interesting one right here? You could speculate and wonder, did a person come and make these couple of, there's one here, and then there's that big one right in there in the center there. And lots of people could say, no, this is just all machine work. But then the one that really makes you think, because I tell people how they like to put them on the edges and do all this kind of stuff, is that one right there. You always look and find what will stand out. Almost looks like a little cave dwelling even in there and stuff, like the young ones practice what the big ones build. Do you think there could be some cave systems in there being practiced by little ones? Peace out from Tinman.